Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the EM04 rechargeable dual mode multi-device trackball mouse. This is the ProtoArc Violet trackball ergonomic workspace. How little things make a difference. So this is kind of like when you want to when you want to move from a regular mouse to one with a trackball, and this is the intermediate, so it's like in between. Because it has a little ball, you can still use it as a normal mouse, and when you really want to scroll without, instead of using the wheel, you just use your side thumb. So it works in dual mode, so it works as Bluetooth and with a dongle, has a rechargeable battery and adjustable DPI. And this is their support email addresses and more information in there. So yeah, let's open it up and have a look. So we have a nice letter from the seller. Really nice message from the seller itself. And a few more of their products. And then he also shows you how to operate it. On off, and then you press and hold for 1 second to switch between the 3 modes. So that's quite nice. We'll have a look at all that in just a moment. Let's just skip this nice message. And see what else is in the box. Very nice unboxing presentation. You have a really nice USB-C to USB-A cable for charging, and some more information in there. User manual, probably how to clean the trackball if you need it. Well, I think we all that. I'll put this back in here as well because I have plenty of them. Okay, so let's have a look at the mouse itself. I've noticed that it's very light. For you know, when you think it also has this trackball, which I can't remember if you can take out. On some of them you can. That's the USB-C port. Really like the trackball. It's a really nice color. Maybe you push it down like that and it goes out. Anyway, I don't want to take it out. That's where you keep the dongle, I think. Yeah, you have the dongle in there. So put that back. You have some rubber on there, and I really like this wheel. Nice orange. That has a silent click. You see, this is normal. That's silent. The logo in there, and yeah, let's try it. Okay, guys. So I hope you can see. So it comes up as ProtoArc EM04, and also it comes up as a new Bluetooth device, and I'll just click connect on that, and I have it on number 2, because I think number 1 is for the dongle, and then you also have number 3. So let's see. So it just says ready to go. I already use it with a trackball. This is not my first one. I actually used one with a proper trackball, and I am used to. For you, it might take a while to get used to. But yeah, one thing I've noticed that this is a leather kind of mat, and I have to say If you want to use it, actually no, sorry, I'm bad. So you don't need to move it around. So you just keep it still. You have the scroll, and instead of moving the mouse around, you just rotate this ball. So let me just close that. It will take a little bit of time to get used to it, because obviously you're doing things the other way around. So you just keep your hand still. But then once you get used, so this is like moving the mouse. You, instead of rotating the mouse on the table, you just move this around. What is that? Okay, so otherwise it's all the same. You do the scroll in the same way. The only thing is now you have to get used to, you know, how you drag this. It's just getting used to. Yeah, but it does work really well, and I've noticed there is also there's also a click on the scroll. Doesn't have side clicks. And that's how you adjust the DPI, I think, maybe. Yeah, now it goes very fast. Whoa. Let's just yeah, that's much better. Cool, guys, so there you have it. Thank you for watching. I think it's a really decent mouse to use as an alternative, especially if you have some problems with your wrist or hand and you don't need to move it that much. You can easily operate it with a standing mouse that doesn't scroll around. So yeah, I'll definitely test it a bit more, and I would definitely let you know in case there's any issues with it. But yeah, so far so good. It looks really nice, and it's just a different way, different type of mouse. So yeah, thank you for watching.